Imagine your customer walking into a messy bathroom, then one quick install changes everything. That's the power of our magnetic shelf. Wipe the wall, attach the magnetic anchors, click the shelf on, it's that simple, which means you can create short demo videos in minutes. Once it's up, it holds shampoo, body wash, face cleanser, even a razor, all within reach, all stable. The open design drains water instantly, the hooks keep loofahs handy, and the edges are safe and rounded. We pack each unit in a clean, brand-ready box, and we can ship in bulk with your own label if you need. We're a dedicated manufacturer for retailers and online merchants. If you want to see our full range, pricing, and MOQ, just DM us the word catalog or reach out on WhatsApp. We'll send everything you need to make a smart buying decision.